Hello there. We're going to graph a square root function. So first we need to remember that the parent function of a square root function is y equals the square root of x. Now here is our equation. Y equals the square root of x minus 3 plus 2. So we have to think, how are these transformations going to alter what our graph looks like? How is it going to alter the manner in which we go about graphing it? So there are two transformations from the parent function in our graph. First of all, it's going to move right 3 units. Even though it's x minus 3, it moves the graph over right 3 units. And we are also going to move the graph up 2 units because our k value is equal to 2. The next step is to make a table of values for x and y values of the equation. So what we're aiming to do is to isolate a perfect square underneath the radical. So what numbers minus 3 equal perfect squares? Well, 4 minus 3 equals 1, which is a perfect square. 7 minus 3 equals 4, which is a perfect square. And 12 minus 3 equals 9, which is also a perfect square. Using those x's, we can plug them in and solve for our y coordinate. And we end up with 3 coordinates. We have 4, 3, 7, 4, and 12, 5. Lastly, all we have to do is create a graph with a proper scale, plot the points, and then connect them, keeping in mind the shape of square root graphs. So that is our graph for this equation.